Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 9 AI tools that are revolutionizing productivity in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, these tools are game changers. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT 5, your ultimate writing assistant. First up is ChatGPT 5 by OpenAI. This advanced language model offers human-like responses, making content creation, brainstorming, and productivity tasks seamless. Whether you're drafting emails, writing articles, or seeking creative ideas, ChatGPT 5 has you covered. 2. MidJourney 6, AI art and image generation. Next, we have MidJourney 6, an AI tool that transforms text prompts into stunning visuals. Ideal for designers, marketers, and content creators, it helps bring your ideas to life with high-quality, realistic images. 3. Runway ML video editing. Powered by AI. Runway ML is revolutionizing video editing. With AI-powered features, it simplifies complex editing tasks, allowing creators to produce professional-quality videos effortlessly. From background removal to motion tracking, Runway ML does it all. 4. Notion AI. Smart note-taking and organization. Organize your thoughts with Notion AI. This tool enhances your note-taking experience by summarizing content, generating ideas, and automating tasks. It's perfect for students and professionals aiming to stay organized and efficient. 5. Descript, simplified podcast and video editing. Descript offers an innovative approach to editing podcasts and videos. By transcribing audio into text, it allows you to edit your content as easily as editing a document. It's a must-have for content creators seeking efficiency. 6. Copy.ai, AI-powered copywriting. Need compelling copy? Copy.ai leverages AI to generate engaging marketing content, product descriptions, and more. It's a valuable tool for marketers and business owners looking to enhance their messaging. 7. GrammarlyGO, advanced writing enhancement. GrammarlyGO takes writing assistance to the next level. Beyond grammar checks, it offers tone adjustments, rephrasing suggestions, and clarity improvements, ensuring your writing is polished and effective. 8. Synthesia, AI video creation. Create professional videos without a camera using Synthesia. This AI tool generates videos with realistic avatars and voices, making it ideal for training, marketing, and communication purposes. 9. Zapier AI. Automate your workflow. Streamline your tasks with Zapier AI. By connecting your favorite apps, it automates repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing manual effort. It's a productivity booster for any professional. These 9 AI tools are transforming the way we work and create in 2025. Embrace these technologies to enhance your productivity and stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe